Alright guys, this is the beautiful Alcove 36-inch vertical propane smoker. See it down here. If you look online, you'll probably see it as a Cuisinart. I think Cuisinart has lent the model out to other people, and now you're kind of seeing these with different names on the front. But anyway, 4 racks, very sturdy racks. I mean, you've got the slots on the side to keep the racks in place. You got your air vent in the back. As you can see, I've already seasoned this thing up. I hit it with some oak and apple last night. Got a door down here for your wood. You can use wood chips, wood chunks. This is a water pan that you can use, and also something you can use to catch the dripping so that they don't hit the fire. Again, you got a second door. The latches on here are very sturdy. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up, give you guys an idea. There it is. Fires right up, heats the wood, out the stack it goes. So this is a nice smoker, man. Again, it's Alcove. The documentation says Cuisinart, but this is a nice setup, man. I'm gonna be taking this one on the road with me to go cook some turkeys at my mom's house. Instead of lugging a big old stainless steel trailer and a smoker, I'm just gonna take this. Walk you around the side. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully this. There you go. You got your vents on the back. Nice little setup. Nice handles. This is a nice sturdy grill. Super sturdy. Does not move. I used to have some of these back in the day, probably about 15 years ago when I was getting started, man. These things are really good for home use. I mean, if you're gonna smoke some turkeys or whatever at home for this holiday season, or some pork butts, ribs, you may be able to fit a small brisket in here. It's a nice little setup. Got a nice little handle latch to it. Nice little setup. Alcove. Again, it's really the Cuisinart brand. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do a test cook on it. I'm gonna put a pork butt in there. Alright, that's enough about this. I'm gonna go ahead and do a test cook. I may put that in a separate video, but I just want to give you guys a view of exactly what this thing looks like put together. Alright, y'all, just wanted to, last little thing I wanted to show you. Like I say, you can pour the water right around the pan. You can see the wood is starting to heat up. Let me push that back in here. And that's probably like, what, 2 cups of water. Open it up. You can see a little bit of smoke. You may not be able to see it on camera, but that smoke is starting to heat up. Total heat up time on this thing at high heat, it's probably about 15 minutes before that wood was cooking. That wood was burning at 15 minutes. And as you can see, it's probably at about 300 degrees. This thing will fire up. You can grill in this thing if you wanted to. But that water is going to regulate the temperature and drop it right back down. So just wanted to give you all that. Just wanted to show you that. It's not going to be sealed up too great, so you are going to have gaps where the smoke is going to come out. But man, for the price I paid for this, it's perfect for what I needed to do. You want to go camping? Perfect setup. So, alright guys, check you out on the next video. About to go cook that pork butt.